And now let's welcome Prime Minister Imran Khan of Pakistan.
Gives shape to a global community of shared interests. This expo will help spread dividends of freer trade amongst more closely consumers. CPEC is a mechanism to forge even for business and governance. We in Pakistan are blessed with an abundant array of resources ranging from minerals to fertile land to wealth of renewables and the most diverse landscape with 12 climatic zones. Our industry is already producing high-end textiles, sports goods, engineering goods, IT services, and medical technologies, including surgical instruments. But by far, our greatest and most promising resource is human. We have 100 million Pakistanis below the age of 35, a young, vibrant population. And the Naya or New Pakistan will be more conducive and more competitive place for transacting business. At a time when the international trade system is under attack, when unilateral commercial benefits are being sought aggressively by some, when protectionism is on the rise, we take great comfort in President Xi's courageous statement, and I quote, "The doors of China's opening up will never shut, but will only open ever wider." Thank you.